Are you getting annoyed by the Triedit Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. To start the walkthrough for Triedit Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Triedit Library, the DHTML Editing Component, an unmanaged library used to provide a WYSIWYG editor for HTML and DHTML content within legacy applications. It manages the orchestration of DOM-based visual manifests and facilitates the editing data link. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Because Triedit Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the SFC Scan command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Triedit library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Triedit library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Triedit library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Triedit library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.